everybody, so I hope you're well and having a super lovely day today. I feel like I haven't filmed in a really long time, but it's only been about a week or so, and to be honest with you, I feel like I've kind of lost my natural ability to just film a video in one clip, because honestly I've filmed this intro about 7 times, so I'm just going to go with it. Today's video is going to be a Lush shower jellies haul video. I bought all of them. I went a little bit crazy, but I wanted to share with you all of the ones that came out online, and they're really interesting fragrance scents. So fragrance scents? Really interesting fragrances. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and you love Lush videos, because I upload them basically every single week. So I hope you guys enjoy. Leave me some comments down below of any video requests, and yes, I'm going to jump right in. So the first shower jelly is the fragrance 29 High Street. This is a fragrance which is a perfume in the Pool store, which you can only buy in the Pool store, and it smells like heaven. It's one of my all-time favourite fragrances. I honestly love it, so I had to pick this one up, and I haven't smelt it yet, so I'm so excited. So I'm gonna give it a go. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells so good. This basically smells exactly like a Lush shop in a bottle, honestly. It's so nice, and it's a really sort of simple kind of orangey colour. It's really pretty, and again, the 29 High Street fragrance is a very kind of sweet scent, but it's also kind of earthy. It's basically supposed to smell like a Lush shop in a bottle, which this does. So if you like that sort of smell, this is amazing, and I would definitely recommend it. The next one we have is Caracas, and this is an incredibly bright, vivid green colour. Caracas is a really lovely lemony, limey kind of scent. It has been released in a few products before, but this is just so good. To me, it smells like green fruit pastels, and if you're not from the UK, you probably have no idea what a fruit pastel is, but it's basically a chewy sweet which is lime flavoured, and it smells exactly the same. It's so good. Again, I love this scent. I've had it before in a few different products, but in this it just smells so strong and really, really fresh. So honestly, love this one as well. I can't remember how much these all were, by the way. I feel like they were anywhere between kind of £5 and £10 each, but I can't remember. But this one is so good, and if you like your fresh smells, this one is going to be brilliant for the summer as well. But yeah, really love this one. Next up is one of the first products I ever got from Lush, and I was actually gifted this for my birthday from an old flatmate back when I was at university, and that is the Sweetie Pie shower jelly. However, this looks completely different. If I show you what this one looks like, it's more of a grey kind of metallic-y looking colour. I have actually got some of the original one left somewhere in my room. I need to find it, just so I could sort of show you the difference. The old one is more purple, this one is definitely more of a silver, and if I turn it upside down, you can definitely see all of that lovely silver lustre at the bottom. So absolutely love it, and I just forgot to smell it, I've just realised, so gonna have a smell of that. Oh, it's so good. This smells like the comforter, so it's blackcurrant basically, and this smells heavenly. If you like your sweet smells, definitely give this one a go. It's so good. And the fact that they discontinued it really just upset me, and I don't want to talk about it. The next one is a product which was released for Christmas, and that is the Golden Pear shower jelly. Now obviously the colour is insane. It is this amazing gold colour, and yes, it is covered in glitter. If you kind of look inside it, you can sort of see all of the gold that's kind of stuck to the bottle. See, this one to me does not smell like Golden Pear at all, but then it kind of does at the same time. It's a bit bizarre. Don't know how I feel about this one. Kind of smells like paint, kind of like it, kind of not sure. But then it kind of smells fruity at the same time. I really don't, wait. This smells like pear drops mixed with paint. If you've smelt this, let me know if you agree. It does smell good though, don't get me wrong, just not my favourite. I love the fact it's gold. I think it looks insane, like in the bottle. It just looks really cool. But yeah, probably not my favourite, but definitely smells sweet, but like paint at the same time. So if that's kind of your cup of tea, then let me know, because I don't think it's my favourite, to be honest. I'd give this one like a 5 out of 10 in terms of how much I like it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it at the same time. It's just kind of okay. So yeah, I do like it though, it's really pretty, but in terms of the scent, it's not my favourite. The next fragrance is a Mother's Day product, and that is Yummy Mummy Shower Jelly. This is the most incredible lilac purple colour. My bedroom used to be this colour, like everywhere. Carpet, curtains, bedding, wallpaper, well, paint, everything was this colour. So I really love the colour. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for presentation. And scent wise, again, it smells exactly the same as the shower gel, so it's very sweet, very strawberry, and it's really nice. And again, there's not too much for me to say about this one. It's full of fresh strawberries, so it is really sweet, but then it has got things like tonka and orange in it, so it is fruity at the same time, but it's not overly citrusy, if that makes any sense. So I do really like this one. Again, it's probably not my favourite, but I do like it. So the last 4 I'm going to share with you I think are probably my favourites, so I've kind of saved them till last. The first one is probably the most liquidy. There's kind of liquid everywhere from me putting this on a towel, so thank goodness I did put on a towel because I think my bed sheets would be covered in shower jelly. But this one is the Yuzu and Coco shower jelly. Now this was released as a shower gel and a bubble bar ages ago, and it got discontinued, and honestly I was gutted. Like, it was one of my all-time favourite fragrances ever, and they discontinued it, and honestly I was heartbroken. But if we open it, oh gosh, okay, there's gonna literally be liquid everywhere. Oh my gosh, that's so good. I have missed this smell. It looks amazing. It looks like honey, like it looks like fresh honeycomb. However, I don't know if you can see, if I sort of tip it around, how much liquid is in that. To me this smells like orange and chocolate kind of mixed together, but not a chocolate orange. It's more of like a creamy scent, if that makes sense. But this one is lovely. In terms of ingredients, again, it's cocoa, bergamot, grapefruit, tonka, so like vanilla-y. It's really, really good. And if you like yuzu and cocoa, you need to buy this because it smells exactly the same. It's so good. The next one I think is my favourite in terms of how it looks, and that is Twilight. Now Twilight is one of my all-time favourite fragrances. I always take the shower gel when I go to Disneyland Paris, and that kind of smells, is like, the smell is now kind of connected with my holidays there, if that makes sense. This one is beautiful. Like, the actual colour of it is amazing. It goes from blue to purple. It's so pretty, and if I open it and have a smell, I'm hoping it just smells exactly the same. Oh, that's so good. Just smells like holiday. It's so nice. It's exactly like the shower gel. It's definitely not kind of the bath bomb scent. It is more of the shower gel, but this is so good. And the colour of it is just stunning. Like, I absolutely love that. So 10 out of 10 for this one. Really, really like it. And if you've not smelled it before, it's basically lavender, vanilla, lavender, and ylang ylang. So it's really, really nice, really sweet, really lavendery, so really good if you want to use it before bed. This is probably the best one you can go for because it's just gonna literally knock you out. It's so good. I love it. I'm kind of stuck between which one to go through next. I think I'm going to go for this one. So this one, I'm going to show you the colour first and then see if you can guess what the scent is. This one is Yog Nog Shower Jelly, and Yog Nog was one of my all-time favourite fragrances. It smells like caramel, toffee, cupcake, biscuits, and honestly it's so good, and I haven't smelt it and I'm so excited to smell it, so we're going to smell it together. Like, I'm so excited. Oh my god, that brings back memories. Like Christmas 2 years ago, 3 years ago. That's so good, and literally it's like yellow. Oh, it smells amazing. Literally exactly like the soap. It's so, so good. I want this in a shower gel, so like if Lush could sort that out, that would be brilliant. But this smells insane. Like biscuits and cupcakes and cookies and caramel all in one. So good. 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10. Amazing. This is definitely my favourite so far. I cannot go on enough about it. This is just incredible. So 10 out of 10. If you've not tried this yet, give it a go. It's so good. And last but definitely not least, if you've been watching my channel for a year or so, you will know that this is my all-time favourite fragrance of all time ever, hands down, and that is Plum Rain Shower Jelly. I'm so, so, so excited that they've brought this out in a shower jelly because I have the shower gel, I love the shower gel, I have the bubble bar from like last Christmas, which I still have, and I want more, so I'm so glad they brought it out in a shower jelly. Oh, it's amazing. It's a little bit more like earthy than the shower gel, I feel. Might be because I've not smelt it in a while, but that's so, so nice. I absolutely love this one. It's purple, just like the shower gel. It's so nice. The scent is amazing. 10 out of 10. I feel like I prefer this one. I would have to say my top 3 are Plum Rain, Yog Nog, and Twilight. I think they all smell incredible. So if you want to get one, definitely get one of these 3. I would highly, highly, highly recommend it because they are just so good, and I honestly can't wait to use them. I'm going to smell like a caramel rainforest with lavender in. buzzing. So excited. So those are all of the shower jellies I have bought recently. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Comment down below if you bought any of these, which was your favourite. Do let me know. Also, like I said at the beginning, don't forget to comment down below of any video requests you want to see, whether that's LUSH related or not. I would absolutely love to know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe because it makes me incredibly happy, and I would love to hit 10,000 this year, so do subscribe if you're not already. Share this video with your friends and we can create a bigger family on the internet. So yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely day and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!